Hey everyone, welcome to the Contreras Reviews channel. In this channel, what we do is we review products and we let you decide if it's worth it or not, and you decide if you should buy it or not. Today, we are going to be reviewing this wireless rechargeable air duster, and this brand sent it to us, ZARIMI. So thank you so much for sending this. They sent it to us to review. So we're going to get into it and I'm going to show you how it works and what it does. Okay, so I just want to show you really quick what it comes with. It comes with this brush, this wrist right here, this wristband that you can tie around it. So right here at the bottom, so it doesn't fall off your hand. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 of these different covers that you can use, different sizes, different shapes. And it comes with the charger and of course with the air duster right here. And let's get into it. I'm going to show you how it works really quick. So with a fully charged battery, this has 4 gears. So with the fully charged battery, if you use it in gear 1, it'll last about an hour and a half. If you use it in gear 2, it'll last about 60 minutes. If you use it in gear 3, it'll last about 30 minutes, and gear 4 about 25 minutes. And this is just continuous usage. And there's 4 different ones, like I said. So we'll start with the first one. 2, 3, 4. So it's really loud, but it definitely does what it needs to do. Let's see. Let's use this one. Let's try this one here. So what you do is you just push it in and then just lock it in place. And you can see where there's like a little entrance right here for that, and lock it in place. This is definitely useful. For example, here's my keyboard. I'm going to just switch the camera over here really quick. And you don't have to be purchasing no more like compressed air cans like this to be using it. Now you can just use this and definitely just clean it. Mine's not that dirty, but use it on floor. And what you can do is there's this button here that you can make it stronger or softer. So let's test that out. This is level 1, and it gradually goes up. It's supposed to bring it down and gradually increase and decrease. It's not doing that, so it could definitely be that this is just one that's defected and it's not working properly. It could just be me doing the wrong thing. The manual just says this way will increase, this way will decrease it. So I don't know, maybe it's just me or maybe this one is defective, but besides this, everything else works great. And I just want to show you how strong it is really quick. So I know this is an empty box, but I just want to show you this is level 1. So you can imagine level 2. And you can see it, how it's pushing my skin a little bit. But level 4, you can barely stand. I mean, it's definitely strong. It definitely blows air how it should. So again, it comes with these attachments here. So it just depends what you want to use. But overall, I think it's a pretty good choice if you really want just a fan. Even if you just want to blow air on yourself, this is pretty strong. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you think it's worth it. I definitely like the idea that you don't have to be purchasing compressed air cans all the time just to blow dust off your desk or blow dust off your keyboard or your computer. So I think this is actually a pretty cool idea. I definitely use it for other things like going camping or anything like that. Whatever you want to use it for, you can definitely use it for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you think it's worth it or not, if you're gonna buy it or not. If there's any product that you would like for us to review, definitely let us know in the comments. And we're just so grateful for you watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, as we'll be releasing more videos reviewing different products. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.